There you go. He got the new. They all happy. Got my cheerleaders. They clapping for you. They glad you got the new lemon pepper. They glad you got the new. I think I'm gonna go on buy some since you gonna give me a coin. Yeah, let's go over here and see. You ever ate crappie? Boy, yeah, that's my favorite fish. What's up with it? We got Dallas in here, y'all. Yeah, crappie. Let me see if I can skip them. Yeah, I'm with him. I'm with him, y'all. Yeah, we wanna goddamn me what you getting?
Fajita.
He getting a goddamn me fajita. Yeah. Goddamn me fajita, man. You on my YouTube channel, ain't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he on there.
Look out.
Yeah, that's me. Let me see. I got two cheerleaders over here. I got two. Yeah, hey, got my cheerleaders in there. Yeah. What's her name? Barb what? Yeah, I got two cheerleaders over there on my TikTok. They giving me hearts and everything. I'm giving my heart back, girl. Yeah. I'm giving my heart too. Let me see, Brenda. Oh, hey, what, you out of meat? No more what? I was about to say, man, what you mean talking about no more? Miss, you done scared me, miss. Golly. Okay, 1 second. Uno momento. Yeah, okay, uno momento. Yeah, they still racing tonight. They gonna still be racing. They gonna be still racing. Yeah, they got the meat coming up, y'all.
Which one?
Let me get a, I'm gonna do chicken quesadilla. Yeah, I just need one. I ain't trying to make nobody be a high. And a drink, I am thirsty. Yeah, I done got thirsty.
Oh, no, I got you.
Okay, big.
3 tacos de fajita.
Okay.
Y una piña.
Okay.
Sí.
Okay. Hey, miss, she get my drink too? Okay. She already know how I like it, y'all. What's your name, miss?
Jessica.
Oh, you Jessica? Okay, we got Jessica and Brenda up here, y'all. Cooking these tacos. Got the taco ladies. We got Jessica. Hey. Okay. Yeah, we got Jessica. Oh, let me get my corn, man. Let me see my corn. We got Eason up here. Man, what the fuck? Okay, he getting it. Okay, 5 more minutes, 3 more minutes.
Ready?
Oh shit, it's ready, y'all. $5, y'all. Somebody donate me $5.
New lemon pepper.
I got a new lemon pepper. How to get this shit stirred up. It's like some new cheese too. Yeah, I've been trying to put it. Let me see, man. Gotta get this shit stirred up. That cheese ain't going to the bottom. Get down there. Man, they killing me, man. $5 for some corn. That's what I was trying to tell you. Don't forget that corn. Yeah, hold on, I gotta get this since ain't nobody. Let me see something.
It's like on the top.
Okay. Oh, damn, appreciate it, man. Let me see, I gotta get everything ready. Let me get this corn ready, man. Throw that whipped cream out of there. Man, did he put too much cheese? Hold up. Make me some room. Ain't leave me no room. Oh, you gotta get that spicy sauce. Can't play with too much now. Just a little. Okay, that was probably too much. Then you gotta come back with this sauce. Mix this sauce with it. Now come back, get you some lemon pepper, the new fresh lemon pepper. God damn. Shit. But that should be about the right amount. Get all that stirred in there. Gotta stir it up good. Rotate that cup. Rotate. Scrape it from the side. Drop it down. Drop it down to the floor. Like, dip it low. Bring it to the floor. Move it all around. Oh yeah, I'm getting down there now. Oh yeah, that's it. I feel the bottom of the cup. It's bottoming out. Huh?
Bring a hat to you.
Yeah, I brung hats. They on the starting line.
There you go.
Ooh,
Thank you.
damn. Okay. Huh? 20 for the hats.
All right.
I'm gonna be on the starting line.
All right.
They on the starting line. That's where they at.
All right.
What colors do you have?
I got different colors. There's just a couple colors left. I got fitted hats and I got some snapbacks and I got some visors. Let me see. Yeah, I'm about almost ready now, y'all. Oh yeah, I did it good. I'm pretty. Let me see. I'm pretty. What is it? I might have got a little hint of too much lemon pepper, but that ain't bad. Once,
That lemon pepper goes a long way.
yeah, that lemon pepper doing its job. Let me see where I'm gonna sit at. Alrighty, guys, we got Easton right here at the Yello Belly drag strip. We're getting this thing improved, guys. We're gonna get a new track here sometime soon in the future.
You're not talking.
We're getting everything here hooked up, guys. We're gonna make sure you guys are happy when you get here to Yello Belly drag strip. We want you guys to be happy. We're not promoting any drama or any violence here. We want you guys to come here and have a great time. We got fuel and nitrous here. You can come here, get your E85, your C16. We have it all for the low prices here, all at Yello Belly drag strip.
You're gonna wear them out.
That's what you be doing on the microphone, wearing our ass out.
I ain't wearing nobody.
Yeah.
You hear me see me up there now?
No, they told you don't wear them out. They must have said don't wear them out, guys.
I said stop.
Easton, don't wear them out.
Right now, I'm only here for them, man. I'm
Okay.
just glad they're here. I'm gonna make it better. That's all.
Yeah, he want to make it better.
We're gonna widen the shutdown next.
Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to put that in there. Yeah, guys, we're gonna widen the short
We're redoing
shutdown.
the men's restrooms and doing the shutdown.
Oh yeah, that's an improvement right there.
It's coming.
Hey y'all, he making improvements up here, y'all.
I got another $2 million to put in this place.
Okay, got another about $2 million to get put in the racetrack, and this thing is gonna be A1.
That's right. We'll put Brenda in the building with our text.
Yeah, we're gonna put Brenda, the taco lady, in there. She gonna promote everything.
Doing the tacos with barbecue and burgers.
Yeah, y'all.
Yeah, see, we'll work out some sort of deal.
Yeah. It's going down like
They're
James
only
Brown.
coming here to see her. They come.
Yeah, they come to see. Hey, Brenda, you know they coming to see you, right? They buying them tacos just for you. Yeah, they want. Yeah, they buying that beef.